Here's how to change name on TurboTax. So if you're trying to change your name, there's two spots you might be talking about. You might be talking about your TurboTax account, which is your Intuit account, or you might be talking about actually filing your taxes and changing your name or the name of others on your tax return. We'll look at that first. So if we go over here on the left-hand side, we're going to see our taxes, and we say, we go to this section called My Info. Inside of My Info, you're going to see the people like spouse, yourself, dependents in here, and you'll see their names right up here. And so to change your name, you're going to drop down this little box and then go to Revisit. And if you haven't visited this yet, then when you click My Info, it's going to actually have you put in your name and information already. But we're going to revisit this to change our name. And this is where we can change both our first name and our last name if we want to. So I'm going to say Bugs Funny, right? Instead of Bugs Bunny. So I change the last name and then I can hit continue. Now there's parts of this that you'd have to fill in to continue. There's parts that you can skip and come back to if you need to. You have to go back through My Info and back into that section to do all that. But if you just change the name and continue on to the next screen, then you can actually click back on My Info and you'll see that your name was changed. And so you didn't have to go through maybe the rest of it quite yet or skip through all those sections. We've got Bugs Funny right here. So you can do that for anyone whose name is in here that you have entered in previously. Now, if you're trying to change the name on your Intuit account, so like your TurboTax account, then in the lower left-hand corner, you should see some drop-downs or an area here where you have Intuit account. So we can click on that. It's going to take us over to our account, and our name is going to be in the profile section. That's in the left-hand side too, if you don't see these buttons here. But we click on that, and we can actually go to name, and we can change our name right here. So we can do the same thing and then just save our name if we want. So I'll click save, and now I'm Bugs Funny on my TurboTax account, but for purposes of filing my taxes, I also entered in my correct name in here. Now, if you are filing your taxes right now or making some last minute changes, you can actually save 20% on TurboTax federal products with the affiliate link in the description down below or in the pinned comment. That does earn a commission for me, but it also helps support this channel and gets you a discount on your TurboTax fees or any dues that you have on federal tax products. So hopefully you can save a little bit while you're filing your taxes. Just click that link down there and it'll have you sign in or just sign up if you haven't even started yet. That's how you can change your name on TurboTax.